Hi, I'm Mendel Howie in Zimbabwe, Africa. So animal or no animal? And our contestant today is Joey Johnson. Okay. Well, I know how the game goes, so I can take it. Okay. So, for your first case, which number would you like?
I'm going to choose to keep number 6.
Thank you. Okay. The first animal to eliminate.
Gonna say number 3.
You have just eliminated the hamster.
I like hamsters. They're all cute and cuddly, like this one.
So you know you like the hamster. How do you feel?
I love hamsters.
Okay, next number.
Okay. I'm gonna say 7 because of Lucky Number Sliding. That movie's pretty cool.
Oh, that cheetah. You could ride on his back. How sad is that?
It's pretty sad.
Okay, he doesn't have a hamster or a cheetah.
I'm gonna go with I'm gonna go with Carlos Boucher's number 5. Please.
Oh, you lost the monkey.
Oh, I love the monkey. Okay, now I'm gonna go with Darren Williams number 8.
Oh, you lost the llama.
Dang it, I love llamas. They're so cute. Okay, now I'm going to do all this. Here's, how old are you, Mendel? 10?
No.
How old are you?
47.
47, okay. 10 is close to 47, so 10.
47. Oh, you lost the hippo.
No! Hippos! I love those hippos. Okay, well, I'm 2, so number 2. 2. Number 2. Okay. Okay, those things are ugly. Like it said on the description, a piece of garbage. On Google, that was funny. Okay, the closest one to my age other than 2 is 1.
Oh, you lost the elephant.
No! Well, now this is a tough situation for me. I could go with mine. I have 2 papers left. I'm gonna choose another paper. I'm gonna stick with my number 6. I'm gonna choose number 9.
Oh, you lost the cute little bunny.
With the purple. Alright. And I guess, let's do 4, 6. 4, 6. 4, 6. I will choose number 4. No. I'll choose number.
So you want?
I want 4. I want you to flip over the number 4.
So you're keeping with 6?
Yes, I'm staying with 6.
So here we go. A free toilet. So that means.
Alright. Well, let me do this first. I lost the feature. Let me see this. I've seen this show many times, and so that means the only animal left is a tiger! A tiger!
That's what I mean, this is dog is another picture.
Half lion, half tiger. That's an amazing picture of a liger. You can get better pictures of these animals on Google. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Mendel Howie, and I'm your contestant, Joey Johnson. And we are here in Zimbabwe, Africa, saying goodbye.
Little girl. Yeah.
Wow. Let's go, Mendel. We're leaving. This has been directed by Mendel Howie. Host Mendel Howie. Thought of by Joey Johnson. Pictures by Google. And the contestant, Joey Johnson. Joey Johnson.